Hello, my name is Matt Valvano, and thank you so much in your consideration and working with me here on UpNest. I absolutely love the program that they have set in place because I get to be a marketing partner with my team, which allows us to pass those savings right on to you. Sellers like you absolutely love saving money, so with us, you're going to get high-end professional drone footage, HDR photography, flyers, pamphlets, social media posts, all for our open houses, absolutely free. This is a $750 package that I get to give to you absolutely for free because we're an UpNest marketing partner. Absolutely love them. Now, I'm sure you're looking for an expert as well. So I grew up in the construction industry. Real estate is pretty much all I've ever known. So about 3 years ago, I decided to get my real estate license. So I help sellers like yourself buy, sell, flip, you name it, I'm part of it. So when it comes to trends and getting stuff done to get top dollar, I actually have crews on hand, a whole list of them that I can provide to you so we can make sure that we get your property up to tip-top shape to get that top dollar. Or vice versa, if you're looking for a quick sale, I actually work with a lot of investors too. If it meets that margin, I can definitely get you in touch with them so then that way we can make a quick sale happen on your property because you never know. I don't know the position that you're in, so I'm interested in learning more about you and your property as well. So whenever you have a moment, again, my name is Matt Valvano. You can reach me at 912-433-0367. Looking forward to talking with you. Have a good one.